Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an automatic day-night light circuit. For this project, I'll be using an IRF Z44N MOSFET as the main switching component. First, I will bend its source and gate pins at a 90-degree angle for easier connections. Then, I'll apply a small amount of solder to its source, drain, and gate pins to prepare them for soldering. Next, I'll take an LDR, light-dependent resistor, and wrap one of its pins around the source pin of the MOSFET and the other around the gate pin. Once positioned correctly, I'll solder both connections securely and trim off the excess leads. Now, I'll use a 5.6 kilo-ohm resistor and solder one of its pins to the gate pin of the MOSFET. For the load, I have a 12-volt light bulb. I'll solder one of its pins to the drain pin of the MOSFET, and the other pin of the bulb will connect to the free pin of the resistor. Finally, it's time to connect the power source. I'll attach the negative wire of the 12-volt battery to the source pin of the MOSFET and the positive wire to the resistor connection. Now for the test. When I connect the 12-volt battery and cover the LDR, the light bulb instantly turns on. When exposed to light again, it turns off automatically, making it a perfect energy-saving day-night light control circuit. Day-night light circuit works by using an LDR, light-dependent resistor, to detect the surrounding light level. In daylight, the LDR's resistance is low, which keeps the MOSFET's gate voltage low and the light bulb off. When it gets dark, the LDR's resistance increases, raising the voltage at the MOSFET's gate, which switches it on and allows current to flow from the drain to the source, powering the light bulb. This way, the bulb automatically turns on at night and off during the day without manual control. If you found this project helpful, please like the video and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching.